Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 19th of March, Tuesday. And today we basically opened in line, slight gap, not even enough to really call it a gap. Moved sideways for a while, and then someone pulled the carpet out from under the market, fell a little bit, and then it dropped. Today we had 4 trades, and we took an actual entries and exits 27.5 points or 110 ticks out of the market. Very good trading, and that's what we want to do. When the market gives you opportunity, you take advantage of it, and we took very good advantage of it. I was looking for a short. We went into the day with the analysis that we were looking for a nice short setup. As long as the market didn't gap down too much, we had a nice short setup, and today just worked out perfect. We got what we wanted, and the market traded the way that we were expecting it to. Let's look. Our first trade was pretty few minutes after the open, if I could speak plainly here. Grabbed a short up here, and the market traded down. We did take profit pretty quickly, and then we kind of just watched for a little while. And after the market came down, it did come back up, and we were able to get short again, and we actually rode that down and took profit down in this region. So we got a nice little short. Continued watching the market move, got long up here, and we were able to ride that up a little bit, and took profit up in this region. Watched the market chop around quite a bit, and then we grabbed a short up here, and we were able to ride it down a little bit, taking partial profit down here, and then the market just chops around, didn't really do anything, and then it fell. And on this candle here, we knew we were definitely dead on with the analysis, and we took profit down here as the market was falling apart, and that gave us awesome profits. And we can go home happy, go do something else, and know that we have had the best month of the year so far, and we had a great day. And that's really what trading should be. When the market's going your way, it's a ton of fun, and it's just a joy to trade. When the market's not going your way, it should still be fun. It will be a little more frustrating, but it should still be fun. Because we trade a style, we trade a certain style, a certain system, and the market will tell us when we're wrong. The market will tell us when we're correct on a trade. And I don't really like those terms, because right and wrong, the terminology reminds me of school. I would say the market will tell you when the trade is wrong, not when you're wrong. So when the trade is wrong, you'll be stopped out. When the trade is right, it's going to go into profit. And really, that's all we can control as traders. We can control ourselves, and we can control our entries and exits. If we get stopped out, we did control that because we had our risk, and the market took us out. If we make profit, we control that too, because we are the ones that can move the order and once we have our stop at break even and there's really no risk whatsoever, and we can control when we get out. Do we want to get out now, or do we want to wait for more profit, or what are we actually looking for? And after today's trading, I think tomorrow is going to be very interesting. So I'm definitely kind of excited about that. But we have had a great month so far, and there's really no sense in overdoing it. But when you get a good setup, you want to take it, and that's kind of what I try to teach and what I try to show that the members, the clients of the room and the trading courses. You want to be patient, and then when you see an opportunity, you want to pounce on it like a lion. And that's really the core concept of what I do. So anyway, hopefully that made sense. I do these videos, I just talk about whatever I feel like talking about. There's no script or anything. I'm just sitting there talking, and I do get a lot of feedback on it, and so far everyone seems to like that style. I like that style. It's kind of just me talking. I have great clips of me talking about different stuff. Some are better than others, obviously, and different people are going to resonate with different videos. But I do this, it allows me to get my thoughts down and talk about a little bit about what we saw and stuff like that. So anyway, with that said, hopefully you got something out of it. If so, great. You can always put a comment under the video. You can always email me directly, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. There's no such thing as a dumb question. If you have a question, ask. That's I was once a new trader. Every other trader who's good was once a new trader, and when you're a new trader, you're not really that good. When I was new, I wasn't very good at all. I remember all of that, which is definitely, I think it's good for me because I can remember all of that, and it was definitely a struggle, and it wasn't very fun. But I did have a passion for trading, and I had a will. I wanted to trade. I knew I wanted to trade. It was fun for me. The concept of me being a trader was very fun for me. It was something that appealed to me, and it meant a lot. It meant so much to me that I was able to persevere through the hard times. A lot of people can't do that, and I can totally understand, because you'll get, being a new trader and continuing to learn to trade and stuff, you're definitely going to get frustrated, and you're going to get frustrated to a point where you're going to think about quitting trading. And it's just a journey that everybody goes through at their own pace. But finding a good, mentor, trading coach definitely does, take that out of the picture, and it does make it a whole lot easier. So, but anyway, I don't want to make the video too long. Nobody will watch it. So with that, I'm going to end the video. Hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.